Hi dear student, today we will teach about what is the degeneracy of energy level. In here we will talk about degeneracy of energy level of a three-dimensional box. As we know by quantum mechanical the energy eigenvalue of a one-dimensional is always equal to En equal to pi square h cross square upon 2m e square into n square, where n is the number of quantum of energy level. For example, if we are talking about to first level corresponding to this n equal to 1. If I am talking about to energy level number 2, n equal to 2, by increasing the number of quantum levels we will find out the different values of energy. Here this is very clear that pi is a constant, h cross is also a constant, m is the mass of particles, and E is the dimensions of one dimensional boxes. We can say that the width of boxes. For example, here if I have a box of this size, one dimensional box, then here this is the A, which is the width of dimensional on x-axis. If I have the two dimensional box, then it will be in two dimensional, or if this is in three dimensional, then there will be three dimensional. Sometimes A is taken as Lx, Ly and Lz. Here it is very clear in this our example that here energy of three dimensional particle box is given by this formula. Here it is the same like previous I discussed. Here a extra term is comes out nx upon lx. Nx mean of number of quantum on x-axis, and lx mean of this that the length of particle box on x-axis. On the other hand, like same manner, yeah, ny square upon ly square, the ny equal to number of quantum on y-axis. On the other hand, ly equal to the length of particle box on y-axis. Here the third term is nz square upon lz square. Similarly, the number of quantum on z-axis and length of particle box on z-axis. Now we will define what is the degeneracy. How can we define the degeneracy? The mean of degeneracy, if there are more than one state, or we can say that if there are more than two eigen functions and corresponding to them there is a same eigenvalue, then we will say that there is a degeneracy. For example, if I operate a Hamiltonian h1 psi 1 equal to e10 psi 1. On the other hand, if I operate another wave function psi 2 on same Hamiltonian, or we can say the another Hamiltonian h2, and but I have the result same h1 prime into psi 2. Here we can see that when we operate wave function on operator and when we operate another a wave function to another operator but we have same value, this means this value belongs to both functions. So there should be called that there is a degeneracy and the number of degeneracy is 2. If there be three possibility or three functions another we have, then we will say that there is number of degeneracy equal to 3. The mean of that degeneracy that there is a more than one eigenfunction corresponding to same value or same eigen value, so it is called degeneracy. Here in this diagram we will see that what is the degeneracy in energy level. Here it is our result of any operators we have, and it is the conclude we, if I would like to explain this, nx square upon lx square ny square upon ly square nz square upon lz square, and this is the term which is the constant pi square h cross square upon 2m. Here there are more than one possibility for the value of nx, ny and z set that they can give the same value. For example, if I take the value of nx equal to ny equal to nz equal to 1, then there is the value of energy equal to just is the multiply of nx, lx, and we have only the one state. But above this case is when I take nx equal to 1, ny equal to 2 and nz equal to 1, the value of this will be equal to nx equal to 2, ny equal to 1 and nz equal to 1. And here another set where nz equal to 2, we can see that when we put this value in this formula we will have get the same value of energy. The mean of that there is a same value of energy corresponding to more than two set. Mean of this there is a degeneracy in energy, so we will call that there is a degeneracy in energy. And the number of degeneracy for this state equal to 2. Here it is very beautifully explains that we can substitute 2 from here, here and here, we will get same value. This is called degeneracy. Thank you very much.